Hi traders, hope you're having a great start to the week. I'm on the dollar CAD, got my monthly, weekly, daily support and resistance levels all drawn in. They're in the description below. I'll just discuss the ones closest to price action. Now the dollar CAD remains rather range bound. We failed up here last week at 138.04 and we're back down today and monthly support down here at the moment. So will the range hold? High time frame trends are up, so I will be watching down here at 136.51, which is daily support this week. Does that hold as support for a move back up the range this week? Of course, if this clearly breaks, then allow it to break, and then does broken support become resistance for a move down the larger range? So does this small day chart range hold? Can 136.51 day support hold once more for a move back up the range this week? Alright traders, moving on to dollar franc. Now last week we got support down here at 91.37 day support. Will we get a further test and hold at that level this week for a move back up the range? Now we could come down deeper to monthly support and hold, or weekly support and hold, but this level held last week, 91.37, so watch for a retest and hold for a move back up the range once more. Alright, up next, dollar yen. Now we have weekly support down here and day support from this old top here where we moved into and moved back out of last week. So we may well see a retest of that area. Can the area hold for a move back up the range? This is still in a downtrend, so the question will be, does this support area hold or does it eventually break down? So do we move back into this area this week? See if support holds for a move back up the range. If we have more dramas in the banking sector, we may well trade down and through the area, but support is presenting there, so watch 131.11 down to 130.40. Does that once more hold a support this week for a move back up the range? Alright, on to the euro pound. This is still very much in a broad range, so I'll be watching down here at 87.54, which is day support. A lower level is weekly support at 87.22, but I'll be watching the high level. Does price come down this week? Can it retest 87.54, hold for a move back up the range? Still very much range bound, could form a inverse head and shoulder pattern here. So can we pull back to 87.54 and hold for a move back up the range this week? Alright, moving along to the New Zealand yen, another pair that is range bound. It's been range bound for a long period, just leading to the idea that we might break down through support. We've been in consolidation for a very long time, so can we break down? We did actually manage to move below weekly support here and test a lower level of monthly support at 80.57. So if the birds can be quiet, can we hold at support or move below? So through the course of the week there's two trading opportunities here. First of all, does weekly support hold for a move back up the range? Or do we simply start to break down and come down for a further test of monthly support? We could further test that and that could hold, or can we move down and through? So we could hold at support, at weekly or monthly support for a move back up, or we could break down. Aussie yen tried to break below its levels of support last week. These two particular pairs may follow in tandem, so watch them together. Does support hold for a reversal back up the range, or are we starting to break down this week? Alright traders, last pair to review for today, New Zealand dollar. Very common theme at the moment in the market. Lots of trading ranges. We're failing at 62.70 to 75 daily resistance last week, and we're coming down to test weekly support 61.91. Can we move below this level? Higher time frame trends are down. This is just a 2-week rally at the moment. Has that rally finished for a move down now to test the lower level of weekly support 60.84? Now in the early part of the week, if this level continues to hold, I have the expectation that we could remain in a range and moving back up to retest 62.70 to 75. I'm more inclined to think that we might break down, but it is range bound there at the moment, and if nothing changes we'll just remain in a range. So currently watching to see if we can get a break of 61.91 clearly for a move down to test weekly support at 60.84. Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time. Now if you'd like to follow my Forex trading analysis throughout the week, why not subscribe to the ACY Securities live interactive trading feed Telegram channel. Simply contact Nathan Bray at acy.com to get access.
Are you looking to improve your trading? Join Duncan Cooper, Senior Market Strategist and Trading Mentor at ACY Securities as he shares his knowledge on the global Forex markets. The upcoming webinars for this week, 28th of March. During this webinar, Duncan will review 12 currency pairs, determine the key support and resistance trading levels for the week ahead, discuss his favorite risk to reward trading opportunity, and answer your trading questions. 29th of March, 100 pip trade entry, set and forget position trading approach. In this webinar, Duncan will teach you a simple set and forget position trade approach. Using market structure on the higher time frame charts, he will take you through the entry criteria, stop loss, and profit target levels for the 100 pip trade entry. 30th of March. Live Forex market review, identifying high probability trading levels. 8 p.m. Sydney time, don't miss out.